Last time, I said no, woman, don't cry. Yeah, she got the right idea. I said no, woman, don't cry. Yeah. Yeah, this keeps the people dancing. This will keep you dancing. If you want to come up to the front, don't be afraid. We got children dancing, everybody dancing, having a good time. Right here at Potbellypalooza. Give it up for 2020 Vision. Holding down the place just a little bit earlier. We are the Pocket Band, like the pocket on your pants. Playing here at Fairfax Corner. This is going to happen every Saturday in May. And it may turn to Thursdays. So check it out. Stacked in the cellar, shut up people, unconventionally rock. Used to have a jacket, but you had to be a member. Keep on